when you use your Zway Help Desk module. Use your Zway Help Desk module when a task needs to be done within a certain timescale or because a customer needs it done as quickly as possible. Help desks can be set up in seconds and will help you see each task, who is doing it, how long it takes, and how long it should have taken. From there, you can even see at a glance your business efficiency on your desktop cockpit view. Let's face it, your company may be too small to create departments or divisions. It is a feature of the smaller enterprise. People will undertake all sorts of tasks to make the customer happy. As a leader, you can use the resources available to you on the day and move people around, like valuable chess pieces, to ensure things get done. When David calls in sick, it doesn't have to make things difficult. Simply move Molly over to the help desk that David worked in, and voila, you have cover. Molly will now be alerted as and when a task comes into that desk needing her attention. The flexibility this offers your company will be appreciated by your staff and customers alike. Staff can work in a team without having to move desks or share emails. With the Zway Help Desk functions, any call, text, form, or email can kick off a process, and any one of the members on the help desk can accept the first task and set themselves as the resolver. Then, any communications with the client can be noted. Any help required from others can be sought simply by changing the resolver to another person and passing the whole case over. It is even possible to set up a step-by-step automated communication plan with clients via email. This really keeps the end users informed and helps them to engage with your company whilst they wait for the outcome of the process. Create help desks in your business for just about anything. Expenses management, sales inquiries, decision authorizations, support for clients, bookings. Help desks keep structure to any business process you wish to create. In Zway, the help desk function is already linked to every other module, so no need to even consider integration. No single task in Zway takes more than a minute, especially not setting up a new help desk.
Thank you.